G'day. So I have all of my camping stuff sorted. I have taken on board a few suggestions that people made in the last video. Advice was always greatly received. Thank you very much. So let's go see if it falls off. So here we are. I've got the pannier bags. I have put all my camping gear in this big rucksack, which is tied on pretty tight with two very good quality ratchet straps that are definitely not going anywhere. That's a loud truck. I have my wonderful $35 Chinese made solar panel attached to the back, which amazingly, hang on, let me check, has completely charged my GoPro up. That is the best piece of crap I've bought in a while. We've got the other pannier bag. We've got the tank bag. We've got the quad lock mount. And I'm just experimenting with a couple of new camera angles. So I have this attached to the front fork. That's probably going to go wrong, but we'll see how it goes.